pictures of it?
I'm getting video of it.
Are you really?
Yeah.
I don't have video on my camera.
Yeah, I got a bunch of pictures.
Zoom in pretty good on it?
I don't want to overdo it.
Zoom in a little bit.
I don't want to get out of optical.
Huh?
I don't want to get out of the optical zoom.
Is that what that has?
Yeah, I mean, it'll do the digital, but it gets all grainy. See, I don't know that I can go in any further anyway. Yeah.
Oh, really?
With the video, it wants to film the one resolution.